What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the NoFaceCrypto channel. Where's no face to no guys? You feel me? And today we're gonna be looking at Michael Saylor's stupid comments.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
So MicroStrategy's average purchase price was a little less than 16,000. And right now, the price is about 33,000. So you've more than doubled your investment. And most likely by the end of the year, we're probably going to be in some kind of bubble, I imagine. So the return will be even higher. And you've said that you didn't buy the Bitcoin to sell it. But would MicroStrategy ever take some off the table when you sense the market is at a top and then just buy in later when there's another correction? Or do you just plan to hodl through all the cycles, and weather those, whatever 80% downturns when the crypto markets are in a bear market?
Yeah, again, I just disagree with your characterization. I don't expect an 80% downturn. I don't think it's a speculative asset, and I don't think you can quote unquote take money off the table. You're speaking like a crypto trader right now, right? Yeah, I mean, maybe you're doing it just to represent their interest, but I don't see the world that way. I think that Bitcoin is sound money. It's the technically superior asset class compared to the dollar, the euro, the peso, the bolivar, compared to a stock index, compared to gold, compared to silver, compared to everything you can conceivably buy. It is technically, thermodynamically superior as an asset. So when you say things like that to me, and maybe you just do it just to see what I'll say back, I just imagine you preaching to me in Argentina while you're asking me if I'm going to sell the dollars and buy pesos back again as the peso sleeps from 20 to the dollar to 40 to the dollar to 80 to the dollar. Or if we're in, Venezuela. I mean, you think a Venezuelan company is going to quote unquote take some money off the table by selling their US stocks and their US dollars to buy back into local currencies? Or then, in Zimbabwe, you think they would take money off the table, right? The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
And then I'm gonna just follow up exactly what he said with this email here from David Schwartz. As you guys know, David Schwartz is very high up in Ripple. Everyone, the conspiracies, the messages, the hidden messages, everyone loves David Schwartz, right? Explain this. I'm interested in the lead software engineer position. I currently have the highest reputation on Bitcoin Stack Overflow site. I'm also an active participant in the Bitcoin forums and a respected member of the Bitcoin community. Underlined here, it says, I've been working on a Bitcoin successor myself, after seeing what has worked well and what has not worked well. You can find some of my public writings on this subject at these locations. Guys, David Schwartz, he made XRP. He's worked on it. He coded it. He's the ringmaster. He's got the patent on the U.S. computer system, and we can pull that up right here. This is exactly what blockchain is. This is exactly what blockchain is. Then you have Michael Saylor trapping the shit out of Bitcoin. I mean, don't buy Bitcoin anymore, guys. It's so sus how he's just like the running horse for Bitcoin. Buy so much Bitcoin, sell everything, do everything for Bitcoin. What is he even talking about here? This is just absolutely ridiculous talk. Absolutely ridiculous talk. But we can see here we have the patent for David Schwartz's blockchain. Guys, insane stuff here. There you go. So you've seen it for yourself. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. But it's just insane talk here. Michael Saylor be talking crazy, bro. He don't even know what he be talking about. You know, I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play this too. I gotta play this.
And then just buy in later when there's another correction? Or do you just plan to hodl through all the 80% downturns?
Yeah, again, I just disagree with your characterization. I don't expect an 80% downturn. I don't think it's a speculative asset. I don't think you can quote unquote take money off the table. The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
Guys, it's a fucking trap. If you don't see it, I don't know what to tell you.
Forever, Laura. You know, you're speaking like a crypto trader right now, right? Like, you know, in Zimbabwe, you think they would take money off the table, right? Like maybe you're doing it just to represent their interest, but I don't see the world that way. I think that Bitcoin is sound money. It's the technically superior asset class compared to the dollar, the euro, the peso, the bolivar, compared to a stock index, compared to gold, compared to silver, compared to everything you can conceivably buy. It is technically, thermodynamically superior as an asset. If you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
Guys, nothing goes up without coming down. You saw the dormant Bitcoin wallets there getting ready to dump into something else other than Bitcoin. I don't have much else to say in this video. You guys heard what Michael Saylor said in this little song here. I'm sorry if it was stupid, but this guy is ridiculous. This guy's absolutely, he's ridiculous. Like, what is he even talking about here? Alright, Bitcoin, it was cool 10, 15 years ago. But as you can see, per David Schwartz's email here, but per the email, David Schwartz's Nepo baby is XRP. He made it with XRP, with Bitcoin, and all of Bitcoin's failures in mind. And if you can't see that, I don't have anything else to say to you. For ZBCN Network, you guys might have went up 10% today, but I will let you guys know an announcement for this channel. I have completed investigation number 2, and that will drop later this week, regardless if SOC 2 comes out or not this week. And I don't think it will. But that will be dropping later on this week. You guys need to tap in and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Investigation number 2 has finished. Big things coming, and I don't have anything else to say about that. Alright? I'll catch you guys in another video, and y'all have a beautiful day today. You feel me? Alright, before I close out this video, I just want to say something. Yes, I want to expand on this. I do have an investigation coming up at the end of this week for ZBCN. I want to be very clear here, guys. A lot of people are blinded by money in this space. If ZBCN went up 100%, they'd all be so happy. Me, myself, I would be happy. But it doesn't change the fact that this is a utility coin in the height of a utility run. And they don't have utility. That's just a fact. It is just a fact. Every other utility coin has it. Every other utility coin has documentation proving this stuff. Alright, and there's just so many things that isn't adding up for ZBEC or ZBEC Network. So go ahead and make money on this if you guys want to. I'm completely fine with that. But the backbones in which this company stands on are not accurate. They're soft. They're completely soft, and I don't really agree with that. How can you be a utility coin and not act like any of the utility coins currently available in the market? I mean, they are literally playing catch up. How are we going for SOC 2 compliance by the end of this month? Bro, this stuff was done 5, 6, 7 years ago by every single other utility asset. Seriously. And also, SOC 2 compliance inherently doesn't... It just means you're allowed to interact with US data. Alright? I can build an app in 2 days and get SOC 2 compliance. It doesn't really mean anything. Where is the utility? Where are the physical cards? There's so many questions to be asked here, and that is what investigation number 2 will have in it. I want you guys to subscribe, drop a like, and drop a comment on this channel, and that will be coming later at the end of this week, pending SOC 2 compliance, regardless if that comes out or not. And if that does not come out, I am crashing out in a third investigation. But you guys will see what happens in the second investigation. Crazy shit happens, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.